If trading really gave you freedom, it wouldn't feel like a job that you're always on call for. Your attention never fully shuts off. You're checking prices, replaying decisions, wondering if something changed while you weren't looking. That happens because most trading approaches require constant involvement. If you're not watching, reacting, and adjusting, your positions are in jeopardy. So trading becomes fragile. It demands your time, your focus, and your emotional energy just to keep it running. Over time, that cost adds up. What was supposed to be leverage starts to feel like labor. What was supposed to be freedom is now a burden. When a system asks less of you, it's easier to sustain. Not because you're suddenly predicting with higher accuracy, but because the design does more of the work. When precise predictions are required for success, there's no real opportunity to detach. If trading feels like a job you can't clock out of, it's because your outcome rises or falls with each tick of the market.